Removing old devices from your Apple ID security settings is a straightforward process that helps keep your account secure. Follow these steps to manage your devices effectively. Step 1. Sign into your Apple ID. Visit the Apple ID website at apple.com and sign in with your Apple ID and password. This will take you to your account settings. Step 2. Access device list. Once signed in, scroll down to the Devices section. Here, you will see a list of all devices currently associated with your Apple ID. Step 3. Select the device. Click on the device you want to remove. This will bring up more details about the device, including its model and the last time it was used. Step 4. Remove the device. Look for the option to remove the device from your account. This may be labeled as remove from account or similar. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the device is removed. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After removing the device, check the device list again to confirm it no longer appears. This ensures that the device has been successfully removed from your Apple ID. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove old devices from your Apple ID security settings, enhancing your account's security.